Hey, this is Jake with Avi-on. Let's talk about the scene controller and the dimming wall station, their buttons, and the different ways they function. The dimming wall station has the percentage buttons engraved. It is very easy to program. In the app, you select preset mode and what you want the wall station to control. All the buttons will now control the group of lights you selected based on the percentage button you press. The scene controller is also very simple. It allows you to program a single button to a light, a group of lights, or a scene. Let's program the number 1 button and have it control a group of lights. Now we have the next 3 buttons to program. But before we do that, I want to let you know about the power and the arrow buttons. These buttons can change behavior, meaning that based on the last button pressed, 1 through 4, are what these buttons are going to control. For example, I have only programmed the first button. The up and down arrows will adjust the light, and the power button will turn the light off. But if I press button 2, now these buttons will control whatever is programmed on button 2. And right now, there's nothing programmed. If I were to leave it in this state, the user could press buttons 2, 3, or 4. Then press the power button, and the light will not turn off. It would appear to the user that the wall station doesn't work, because these 3 buttons are controlling the last button pressed. There's nothing programmed on these buttons yet. Remember, the power and the arrow buttons work based on the last button pressed. You must program all 4 buttons on the scene controller. If needed, you can program all 4 buttons the same way, and that will work perfectly fine. I have continued to program this wall station to 4 different groups of lights. When you press any 1 to 4 button, it will bring that light to 100%. With the arrows, you can press and hold to gradually dim or brighten the light, or tap the arrows to change the level by 5%. If you want to turn off that light, you can press the power button. Here are some other functions of the wall station you can do also. A double tap of any 1 to 4 button will turn the lights off. This is a quick way to shut off a group of lights. There's one more shortcut. If I double tap the power button, it will turn off all lights associated to each button on the wall station.